Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared this pav burger. I used Pav Bhaji filling in this burger. This is something very unique and we normally keep preparing this for Sundays because it's very nice and filling and it's a very nice filling brunch, I can call it. So let me show you all the ingredients required for this recipe and we'll get started. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a written recipe. Here I've already prepped and reserved boiled potatoes. So I'll be using boiled potatoes for this recipe. Peas is what I'll be using. This is already cooked peas. I've reserved it in a box. And here I've got finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander and curry leaves, ginger and garlic paste, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, chili powder, kitchen king masala and asafoetida. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added oil and I've also added cumin seeds, ginger and garlic paste. We'll fry all these ingredients till the raw flavor from ginger and garlic paste has reduced and the cumin seeds to sputter. And the next thing what I've done is I've added onion, curry leaves and coriander leaves. I'm going to fry all these ingredients till the onion turns transparent. Now I'll add asafoetida along with the onions. It will give a good flavor and it's good for gastric issues. I've also added kitchen king masala, turmeric powder and chili powder and fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor from all the masalas have reduced. For preparing any pav bhaji masala, you should use kitchen king masala. You will get that authentic street style taste. Once the onions have fried, I've added the peas which is already cooked and reserved. So I'll be adding water and salt as per taste. Now we want the masala to cook and the peas also is in frozen state, so it has to completely cook with the masala. Once the peas have cooked well and the water has completely evaporated, the masala is nice at this point. Now I'll be adding the crumbled potatoes which I boiled and reserved earlier. We have added the potatoes to the masala and we'll fry it in the masala. Now once the potato has completely mixed with the masala, just check for salt and add salt if needed. Fry the potatoes in the masala for a few minutes. Now the filling is ready. This pav bhaji filling is ready. If you add excess water, this is pav bhaji. You can also add capsicum to this. Here I've added the finely chopped coriander. We'll combine this potato once more and it's fried well. The filling is ready. Now I've laid out all the ingredients required for this pav bhaji burger. Here you can see I've sliced and reserved radish, tomato, cucumber, onion. We will also require butter, pav buns, the prepared masala. I've already shown you a detailed recipe how to prepare coriander chutney. So that chutney is what I've prepared and reserved it earlier. I've heated a tawa on medium flame. Once the tawa has reached temperature, it's nice and hot. At that point, I'll slice that pav bun in half, exact half, and I'll place it on the tawa. We need to toast it on low to medium flame. Don't place it on high flame. Your pav buns will burn instantly because it's very soft. Now I'll flip the pav buns and I'll add generous amount of butter. So in pav bhaji, they use lot of butter. So you can use butter for this recipe. Toast your pav buns in butter. You will get that exact feel of pav bhaji taste, but this is in a burger format. So everybody has tasted pav bhaji, but not in a burger format. So here the buns are toasted. You can add excess butter if needed. Now place it on very low to medium flame. Let this be on the tawa itself. Now I'll be spreading the pudina chutney evenly on the bread. Add generous amount of this mint chutney. It's very nice and tasty. It's got coconut and all in it. I'll post the recipe link in the description box below this video. This is very tasty. You can prepare this in bulk. In case if you don't have use for curry leaves, coriander and mint in your house, and you've got it in hand and it's in the fridge, prepare this chutney and reserve it. You can prepare toast like this. Now I placed the potato filling in the middle, and I'll top it with the onion slice, tomato slice and the radish slice, and serve it as hot as possible. All the ingredients used in this recipe is in the description box below this video. A detailed written recipe is posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video or in the iCard above this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links is also listed in the description box below this video. Do subscribe to me on my Tamil channel. The Tamil channel link is also in the description box below this video. Try this recipe, friends. Try it and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.